Okay, so in today's day and age, as a realtor, a lot of us deal with internet leads. Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com. And there's our strong opinions about these, that they're so-called crap leads. They're cold leads. They are. They really are. But let's think about this. A realtor that pays for these type of leads, what are they paying for? They're paying for a name, a phone number, an email, and some type of interest in purchasing a home or maybe even selling a home. That's all that is required from your money that you pay for these leads. It's up to the realtor, the professional, to nurture that lead. Now that lead often is not ready to buy or sell. That lead often is saying, listen, we were just curious, so we wanted to make a phone call. We just wanted to, test the market out, but we're several months away. A lot of realtors just get rid of that lead. A lot of realtors do not deal with those leads anymore. They move on to the next one. Huge mistake over here, because that individual at one point or another will use the same source to get more information, maybe on a home or a home they're looking to sell. And they're going to be ready this time. And whoever that lead goes to is going to benefit from it. So if you are getting these cold leads, put them into a CRM. Reach out to them every once in a while. Call them. Write them a note. Send them an email just to say hello. Create the relationship so that cold lead becomes, at the very least, a lukewarm lead. And when that lead decides to move on, they're going to remember that if you stayed in touch with them constantly, and chances are they're going to reach out to you and give you a call. And if you don't believe me, maybe you've dealt with internet leads for a while. Go back. You have their names. You have their emails. Send out a mass email of all the ones that you didn't convert. And just a simple email saying, are you still looking to buy a home? You'd be surprised how many people email you back and tell you, sorry, we've already bought one. Those are the ones that took the time to email you. A bunch of them probably have bought homes, didn't use you, and didn't even want to respond to that email. It's hurtful, and it hurts the pocket. But you were given the opportunity to stay in touch with this person. You were given the opportunity in every way possible to stay in touch and create the relationship so they can call you. Take advantage of those internet leads, regardless of how we feel about them.